Welcome to Shock. This is where you'll find all your essential weekly workouts from your selected program. Scroll down for cardio and quick workouts. Tap your workout to find out what you need to get started. Customize your workouts by toggling your music audio, sound effects, and noise alerts. You can choose to receive training guidance based on your heart rate or rate of perceived exertion. You can even play your own music. Get ready to sweat. Connect Shock with your Apple Watch and track your heart rate. Tap here to see all of the exercises for each circuit. Shock workouts can be completed with multiple equipment options. Tap the screen to view an alternate exercise and training instruction. Shock zones appear at the end of each circuit. These short intervals are designed to boost your metabolism and burn calories. Shock has 4 training zones. Try to reach your heart rate goals for each zone. After you complete your workout, take a selfie and share it with your friends. You're in control of your training program. Plan your week in advance to ensure you complete all of your strength and cardio workouts. Record your cardio with a workout timer when completing HIIT and LISS cardio sessions. Complete your challenge workouts each week. The types of challenges you receive are based on preferences you selected upon sign-up. You can change your training focus and other program settings at any time. Tap your profile avatar to find the program management section. Here you can change your program level, week, focus, and goals. Send us a message if you need anything at all. We're always happy to help. Our Quick Workouts library offers endless variety, targeting your abs, arms, shoulders, glutes, and legs. Keep an eye on your progress. Take a before and after shot so you can see how well you're doing and be proud of your achievements. Try to take progress pictures every 4 weeks to stay on track. Post your progress on social media. Be sure to tag us. We want to support your journey and share your progress with the Shock community. I'm so happy to join you on your journey. Let's do this.